na ekaunti ya Nyamira omugavana we ekaunti y'omuske Amos Nyaribo nigo abereka gotebabuna nigerebuya abasai korwa chinsemo ao anene korwa ekaunti yo kwebwatirania asa maigiriye kerero gosege digitali buna enchereyemo yo kwegendereria hasa magimabo gukwana korwa ase chiabisi serikali yo litukulia rero nigo abereka gotebabuna nigerebuya abasai bonsi kwebwatania ase emirimo ya kidijitali hase keribuna nige emirimo yaberege kubura aiga sense ya Kenya na gwetera ase emirimo gose gwetera asa maigeria yo nigo barachigwe konya nonye naso kwenyorera engere yabo ya kerarituko.
ICT is a course in itself which is the most expanding area in the world. Sasa, as a government, you have heard it in my speech, we'll be expanding these colleges. This digital learning should go to the people where they are. And through our budget, we are going to look at institution of learning in each sub-county so that we can create a class there for our youth to learn. Because that's the way to go. Whether you are a doctor, whether you will be engineer tomorrow, there will be always a space for digital. Even consultation has gone digital. So it's good you have graduated. And it's up to you now to manage yourself because ours is over. But if you need more support, do not hesitate. We want to form you as an academy. An academy. Emily, we request all these people to join an academy so that we can monitor their progress and we can also be picking their requirements. We give them support until they start on their own.